From Ultimate Sports Cards in Las Vegas, bringing another live box break, doing 07-08 SP Authentic Hockey. I already opened the box and kind of saved some time. Okay, first pack. Rather than call out several hundred base cards, we'll just kind of call out the hits as we get them here. Brad Boyes. I think you're familiar with that one. And our first autograph is Kobasov. K-O-B-A-S-E-W. Him. As much as this product I've seen open, I haven't seen that one yet, so couldn't tell you how to pronounce the name right. But that guy's auto.
Well, this is easy because now you can just edit the whole middle of it.
Yeah, pretty much. So those of you watching that just heard that, and if you skip something, you didn't miss much. Yeah, this portion is going to definitely be edited out. It's a great product, but it's not fun to film sometimes with so many packs of nothing. And all of you, Ryan gets left. And I got another autograph. Nicholas Backstrom. That is actually nice. Rookie auto, number to 999. Cool. It's not carry price, but still, that is really nice. On card auto. Future watch. We still got one more coming. Hopefully, it'll be a nice patch auto. We got about 4 packs, looks like, right over there left.
Yep.
Ready. Coming down the wire here.
Numbered Sidney Crosby.
That's always good. No, SP Notables. It's Crosby, numbered 1999. And then there were 3. Redemption.
Nice.
We got Brian Little and Kovalchuk dual auto. That is nice. Dual auto right there. Redemption, Kovalchuk. Very nice. And last pack. Did we get a bonus? Okay. Started off a little slow, but after you got the Backstrom out and then the dual, turned out to be a pretty decent box. Well, cool. And then there's your last rookie, Chris Bork, number to 999. And there you have it from Ultimate Sports Cards. Thanks again for watching.